O, tingnan niyo mga idol, ayaw pa talaga paawat ng ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Okay.
In the course of the hearings, doon nga natin ni-establish bakit nga walang pang-operation ang police. So yun ang
Wala talaga yan.
yun ang ating
Wala
tatanungin
talaga.
ngayon natin yan. Pero
Tingnan niyo mga idol, yung iba pag inimbitahan sa Senate, halos mamumutla dahil natatakot o kinakabahan. Pero itong presidente natin si Rodrigo Duterte, tingnan niyo kung gaano katapang.
okay, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Mr. Thank you for
Ayoko, sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong ipa-relax
Kasi,
po,
sir,
Mr. President.
may gusto, ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito. And I can talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan. Kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May pag-utos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I think it's majority of the members of this committee, Senator Robinson Padilla, Senator Bongo,
Yes, I
yours
understand.
truly,
I understand.
and
I understand.
even Senator Villanueva. I would like to excuse the President
Yes, okay.
from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the President can
Ayaw.
Ayaw
Ayaw ko kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
We suspend our hearing.